Hey, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you have been here for a while. I appreciate you all. Today I have an unboxing for you, but it is Friday. It is date night. So just, I will throw pictures up of my dress and my shoes, and I will share with you what I'm wearing today on my face. Super light, super casual. So I am wearing the First Aid Beauty Tinted Moisturizer on my face, or BB cream, whatever they call it. I'm wearing that, and then I am wearing the Ico Lash Alert on my eyelashes. For my brows, I am just doing the Brow Gal, the tinted brow gel, and then on my lips I am wearing the Dominic Cosmetics in, I believe this was Sweet Tea, but I didn't keep the box and I don't see it. It looks like it may have had a sticker on the bottom there, but it looks like it might have fallen off. But I think it was Sweet Tea or Peach Tea or something like that. Anyway, so that is that. Also, I will be announcing soon, I will be putting in a video, I'll be announcing the rules and things of that nature for the 1K giveaway, so keep an eye out for that. Also, you can see Stitch Fix sitting back here. I have that this weekend, and I also have Trunk Club that I need to get into this weekend. But right now I have for you Yes, Oh Yas. So this will, I did cancel this subscription. This will be my last bag from them. I don't know, I guess there are a couple of different reasons why I canceled, but the main reason is I'm gonna just say that it's really not my thing. It's not my taste. And then I pull out this palette that looks like it may be beautiful. So, we get a card that says June 2019, and it says, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup again, yes. Your monthly savings is $83, or 83% off of retail. And then that's what the front of the card says. So Yes, Oh Yas does not give you prices, so I will just get into these things. So first, it looks like there is an eyeliner brush, and it comes nicely packed. I don't want to touch the tip because I will be passing this along, but I will scoot it up a little bit so you guys can see what the tip looks like. So it's just an angled eyeliner brush. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Kaylin gel eyeliner, and it just says it's in black. I don't know if you can see that. That's really, really tiny print. That kind of freaked me out. I saw the train to my dress back here, and I was just like, what is that sitting behind me? So the next thing I'm pulling out here is the Bella Paris Voluminous Lash Waterproof Mascara. It does have a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to crack into that. And plus, I will probably just give that to someone that could use it more than I could. The next thing I am pulling out here is an Appeal Gel Eyeliner in Forest Green. I will definitely keep that. Oh, just my luck. Okay, so the lid is stuck in the plastic, but I will give this a swatch since I am keeping it, and I will have my husband get that out. Where do I want to put this? I'll put it right here because I am going out tonight, and if I can't get it off because it's a super sticky eyeliner, I don't want it to be on the back of my hand. But that's what that looks like. It's just a really pretty forest green. I do like the color. I think it's pretty. Let me lay that angled up. so it doesn't get on anything. The next thing I am pulling out is a Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. This is a baked highlighter. Let's see. Oh, and I actually already own this, so I will not be swatching this. Or maybe I gave it away. I did own this. I think I ended up giving it to my daughter. But that's what that looks like. I will open it so you can see the color, and then I will put it back in my box, or in the box. So that is a pretty peachy pink. I think someone else will really enjoy that. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is a palette. Moira Daydreams Dream Series palette. And it looks like that. And I pull it out, and the packaging is the exact same as it is on the box. Ooh, that is really pretty. So that is what the colors look like. Now, I'm not going to swatch this now, but I'm probably going to keep this palette. So if I do decide to keep it, I will pull it out in a future video in the next couple of days, and I will swatch it for you guys. But again, since I'm going out on a date, I don't want swatches all up and down my arm. But that is a really pretty palette. I really like this green over here. This blue is really pretty. That gold, or maybe it's a bronze. Let's see. I'm not sure. I think it's more of a copper. I don't know if you could tell because of my lighting, but it's more of a copper. And those purples are really pretty. So yeah, I think I will definitely keep this palette. I will bring it out at a later date to swatch it for you guys. I don't know. I do want to think on it for a day or two. So maybe on the next box opening, well, not any of the clothing ones, the next subscription box that is not a clothing one, that I haven't already edited or whatever, if I decide to keep this, I will give it a swatch. If I don't decide to keep it, I will let you guys know. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye.